All right, folks, my name is Nestor, and I'm here to show you how easy it is to assemble and disassemble our beautiful farmhouse style cocktail tables. Unfold one leg, unfold the other leg. You'll see I have inside, you'll notice it's got hinges. These are high quality upgraded hinges. Once you have this in a X formation, you align the tabletop. As you see here, it has the space for the X, so I'm just gonna align it. I'll first place it on top. I'll just go underneath, and we're gonna align the grooves. You get 4 of these bolts, a little hex wrench. If you can see here, now just hand tighten. Always hand tighten first. We've tightened it. It's perfect. Now I can lift it here, and the legs are going to go with it. So if someone wants to grab the table, we can grab the table, move it around. You see that little wiggle? Well, we accounted for that. So down below, we have levelers. Now you got a very stable cocktail table. So even though floors may be a little uneven, you know that your cocktail table will be perfectly even. Your guests won't spill their drinks. You have a great experience. And you can see in just a couple minutes, you can put this farmhouse style cocktail table together. Get yours today at chivari.com.